In the best of this morning, we all have them, but how much do you really know about the brain?
BrainFest, a day filled with all sorts of brainy fun, returns to the Pacific Science Center tomorrow. You can meet Allen Institute scientists, learn about cutting-edge neuroscience research, and even touch a real brain that's been donated to science.
The Allen Institute's Dr. Kaitlyn Casimo put Tyrah and me to the test, even let us dissect a sheep's brain. All right, so Doctor, nice to have you with us here from the Allen Institute, and you have brought, what do we have in front of us here?
We have a sheep brain here, and this is one of the activities that we will have this Saturday at BrainFest, our celebration of neuroscience and your amazing brain at PacSci.
Amazing.
So the sheep brain is, a sheep is a mammal, so it has a lot in common with a human brain, but it is a lot smaller than a human brain. And we use it to teach neuroanatomy, how the parts of the brain fit together in 3 dimensions. So we're gonna get to cut this open and see what's on the inside.
Do you want to do the honors first?
Sure, why not? Where do I start?
All right, so on the outside of the brain here, you can see all of these wrinkles. That's called the cortex, and that's where a lot of the things that you think of as thinking happen, your personality, decision-making, and so forth. But if we cut it in half down the center line here, then we'll be able to see some of the things that are on the inside.
Should I use 2 hands?
You should use 2 hands.
Oh, gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, not too bad. It's like cutting a piece of chicken breast or something.
Oh my
Should I just open
Just
it
keep
up?
going.
Keep going?
Yeah, all the way through.
It kind of does look like a piece of chicken.
And that there's a lot more different things happening on the inside.
Complex.
Yeah, so we have here, this is the thalamus. That's the part of the brain where most of your senses, the information from your senses, goes here before it travels on to the parts of the brain where it gets processed.
Okay.
And then this white stripe here, right here, this is called the corpus callosum, and it connects the 2 halves of your brain. So you might have heard about people being left-brained and right-brained.
Yes.
That is a myth. But left side of the brain and the right side of the brain are working together constantly to do complicated things, and they have to be able to talk to each other. So that's what that structure does. It's the bridge between the 2 halves.
Okay.
Interesting.
And then this part here is called the cerebellum, and it helps you balance. And it probably does other things as well, but we're really still learning what the cerebellum does. It's a complicated part of the brain, and it doesn't get a lot of research. And here we have the brainstem. So that's where all of the information travels in and out from the brain to the body, and that it also helps control some things like breathing.
Oh, wow, your brain does so much.
It does.
It really does.
So do you want to take a chance to do some dissecting?
Sure.
We'll go ahead
Yes,
and
I'll
cut
let you
it
go
right
ahead.
here.
Right down the middle?
Along that.
Excuse me, friends.
Oh, yes, let's switch spots. Let's switch spots. No, let's give you some room.
Just about like right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my gosh, it is like cutting through a piece of chicken.
that was
Keep
just what it
making that
reminded me
analogy.
of. Or like I don't know.
All right.
Yeah. But before the brain is preserved, this one has been preserved, it's a lot squishier.
I see.
It does, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so in here you can see those nice wrinkles, the folds in the brain. And that helps your brain pack in more of that outer layer because then you get more neurons, more brain cells, more brain power. Yeah. You get a nice view of the corpus callosum connecting those 2 halves again.
That's that part right here, right?
Yeah, right
Okay.
there, yeah. And then we do get a little bit of parts of the basal ganglia, and that's a collection of brain structures that help with movement, and it's what's affected in Parkinson's disease.
Wow.
okay.
That makes sense.
Kids will have the opportunity to be hands-on with sheep brains, as well as human brains that are being brought by UW's pathology department.
Interesting. And this is a model of the human brain that you
This
bought,
is a
right?
model of a human brain to scale, so you can see it's quite a bit larger than a sheep. The human brain weighs about 3 pounds, and it also does some other special things that we'll cover in trivia. So, what 6th sense depends on sensors in your inner ear, but it's not part of your hearing?
Ooh, what 6th sense?
I'm gonna say smell.
I was thinking the same because your ears, nose,
It's kind of all
eyes,
connected.
They're all
interconnected.
connected, yeah.
So smell? Is it smell?
It is not smell, but you're right that smell is connected to your ears. It is balance. Your sense of balance uses sensors that are inside of the inner ear.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay. Interesting.
Yeah.
What's next?
All right. So, for this question, you have to tell me if this is myth or fact. Your brain stops changing when you are 18 years old.
Myth.
That is correct. That is a myth.
Damn.
I was gonna make a joke and say maybe for men. No, I'm kidding.
Wow.
Your brain doesn't stop maturing until you're about 25 years old, and it never stops changing. Every time you learn something new, your brain changes, and it gets physically put into your brain. That's how you remember things.
Interesting.
Is there
25.
a
Okay.
way to improve brain health, if you will, or brain strength?
The most important thing is to keep your brain active. So meeting with other people, spending time doing things that require you to use your brain. And if you have any concerns, talk to a medical professional as soon as you notice something.
Perfect.
We can't necessarily wind the clock back, but sometimes we can help if we catch it early on.
Nice.
All right. Keep it active. All right. Number
All
3.
right. In this one, you're going to be finding where the incorrect thing in this statement is. So the human brain weighs about 3 pounds and uses about 2% of your body's energy.
2%.
What is wrong?
Sorry.
That is
I'm gonna say
right.
2%. Yeah.
Yeah.
2%.
Nice work.
You just told us about the 3-pound thing.
I did. I blew the question a little bit.
See if we're paying
I was
attention,
paying
right?
attention.
Your brain uses about 20% of your body's energy, despite weighing only about 3 pounds.
Wow.
It takes about 10 times more energy than muscle.
Wow. That's a lot of power.
Yeah.
All in one little thing.
All in one little thing. But it's still significantly more efficient than computers.
See? Always can be more.
Yeah.
Yep.
We know more.
All that AI talk. Yep.
What animal sleeps with only half of its brain at a time, and the other half stays alert to scan the ocean for danger and to control its blowhole?
Whales.
Oh, so close.
Dolphin?
Dolphin.
Oh.
Yes.
I cheated because you gave your answer first. So
Well,
that was the next
one,
kinda
yeah.
makes sense. Yeah. Dolphins.
And that includes orcas, which are actually a type of dolphin. They're not whales.
I didn't know that.
Interesting.
Didn't know
Okay.
today.
Didn't know that
Okay,
either.
well,
All right.
fun
We're
facts.
learning so
Okay.
much this
Full
morning.
fun facts.
And we have one more.
Okay.
What classic horror movie is credited as the source of the modern pop culture zombie, though the movie never uses the word zombie?
I know this one. I'm a big movie junkie.
I'm not, so I'm probably going to get it wrong.
Can we throw that up again? Never uses the word zombie. Oh,
Friday
man.
the 13th?
Earlier.
Earlier.
I don't know.
We're stumped.
That is Night of the Living Dead.
Oh,
okay.
Classic.
Okay.
It's a classic zombie movie.
Yeah, and it started off a whole series: Day of the Dead, Dawn of the Dead.
And again, folks can come and meet you on Saturday, dissect one of these babies, and hold a live brain.
And
human
about
brain
20 other
themselves.
stations.
Amazing.
Incredible. Well, thank you so much.
Thank
now
you.
I can say that we've dissected sheep brain.
Science
sure
experiment. Check that off the list.
Yeah, I'm just glad it didn't have a stench. Did you smell anything?
I did not. No.
Okay,
I was
thank
I was happy about that as well. I got to say, we look good in those lab coats. Yeah.
and we learned a lot.
We did learn a lot. All right, there's a lot of fun to pack in for BrainFest tomorrow, which runs from 10 a.m. until 5 p.m. at Seattle's Pacific Science Center.
To get your tickets, use your cell phone camera, scan the QR code in the corner of your screen. The link that pops up will take you directly to KOMOnews.com. From there, you'll find a link to BrainFest's website. I'm laughing because I was thinking about how it felt like a piece of chicken.
It was like a rubberized piece of chicken. But cool nonetheless.
Yeah, very cool.
Yeah.
Coming up.